This is episode 12 in our series of marketing for restoration companies, and you've made it to the finale. Woohoo! Boy, have we covered a lot so far. We started with the foundation, understanding your customer, defining what makes you different, and setting clear goals. Then we moved into execution, what to post, how often to post, how to make your content convert, and where to focus your time. And finally, we stepped into the more advanced side of things. How to capture leads, how to use ads the right way, and how to handle those leads once they come in. Now, let's zoom out for a second, because none of this is going to work on its own. This will only work when it's built as a system where everything connects. You understand who you're talking to, you create content that speaks to them, you show up consistently, you make it easy for people to reach you, and you follow up properly. When all of this is in place and you have proof that it's working, then you scale it. And that's how you go from a half-hearted marketing effort to predictable growth. And here's the honest truth. Everything we've talked about in this series, you can do it for yourself. But doing it well, doing it consistently, and doing it while running a restoration business, well, that's where most people just struggle. Jobs come in, crews need managing, equipment needs tracking, customers need updates. Marketing often becomes a thing that gets pushed to the side. That's why most companies never build this into a real system. Now, for me personally, this isn't theory. I've been in this industry since 2017. I've worked with some of the leading manufacturers, distributors, and restoration companies across the country. I've also been the director of marketing content for one of the largest manufacturers in the space, helping shape how this industry communicates and markets itself. So, all that to say, I've seen what works, and I've seen what doesn't. And more importantly for you, I've helped build systems just like this that actually drive real growth. And that's exactly what we do at BrightSpark Media. We help restoration companies build and run this entire marketing system for them, from content to strategy to execution, so you can stay focused on running your business. And if you've watched this series and you've thought, this all makes sense, but I just don't have the time to do it properly, then let's talk. Because the difference between knowing what to do and actually doing it consistently is where the results lie. Thanks for following along with this series. And if you've had any questions that have come up, or you want to discuss any of what we've covered in more detail, then please do get in touch. Until next time.